Hi Vishali, welcome to Unfiltered. So happy to have you here. A warm welcome on Unfiltered with Devs. Let's see who is the real Vishali and unfiltered Punjabi version of you. Ready?
Yes, Rary. Thank
Uh,
you for having me here. It's a pleasure to be part of such unfiltered platform where even I don't know what you're going to ask me. So completely fun for me too.
yeah. Okay, let's start with the basic. Okay. Who is Vishali? Just the basic one. Not a mother, not a wife. Clearance. Yeah.
Okay. So Vaishali is a CS and a personal growth mentor who is an enthusiast. So she's moving on this path and
Oh,
somewhere trying to find herself and still finding that unique version of who I
right.
really am. So I'm still trying to completely know that. I am in the process. So
Hmm.
I can't exactly tell you who Vaishali is. I'm also exploring that.
Even even I'll feel अब जितना मर्जी एक point पे आ जाओ, we all are still recovering or finding our own self. That was the reason I wanted to have you, the someone who is still being on that path of knowing themselves, still on the
I
path of
think this
personal growth.
is the purpose of life, na? One
Absolutely.
at one time, I will think that I'm because, like, if
Hmm.
you will ask me 10 years back, who do I want to be? I would say I want to be a CS. Now, when
Correct.
I am a CS, you will ask me who do you want to be or who you
Hmm.
are. I say I don't know. I'm still trying to find. Now I
Absolutely.
start found this area, and now I'm still thinking what next.
That's so true. Okay, let's go back to your childhood. You say कि you're very much connected to your grandmother, I guess, right? So how was
Grandfather
your
and maternal grandmother.
maternal grand? So how was your childhood be like?
My childhood was more like I lived in family itself. Like
Hmm.
my nanny's place was just 10 minutes away from my own home. So we would
Okay.
escape from the school crowd. Our rickshaw wala
Good.
bhaiya would be finding us and we would be running to their place. It
Oh
was like
wow.
every Friday I would be there, Saturday, Sunday was there. And
Hmm.
our own parents would be waiting for us that please come home. We too have kids, but we spend most of our time there. And while I was home, then it was
Hmm.
about spending time with my Dadaji, listening to the stories
Hmm.
of undivided Pakistan, India
Right.
stories
Even I
about,
heard some of it from my
yeah,
grandmother.
yeah.
They were interesting. Okay, so any advice you would like to give someone trying to rise above societal norms, expectation कि मेरा true passion क्या है, तो उसके लिए कुछ advice?
I would say pursue yourself. Whenever we want to do something, there is
Hmm.
a voice within that says, ye nahi, ye karo. But
हाँ.
the first voice, but we think this person will say something, my family will
Correct.
say this thing, and we
Hmm.
suppress it and do the opposite. And then we are like, why my life is all messed up.
Right, totally makes sense. Ki we go, uh, even I have the same case. I didn't know for the longest time. मतलब when I was in the ninth standard ना, मेरी sister की जो friend थी, she was doing Japanese and she was earning very good amount at that particular time. And I was just in ninth standard. So if someone would ask me करना क्या है, मैंने कहा Japanese करनी है, sorted है अपना. I'll do the Japanese. 12th होते ही when people were struggling कि क्या करना है क्या करना है क्या करना है, मैंने चुपचाप गई जापानीज में एडमिशन कराया. कॉलेज भी नहीं गई. आई आस्क्ड माय ब्रदर कि भाई कॉलेज के लिए क्या करना है. अरे कुछ नहीं है, वेस्टेज है. कुछ नहीं होता बेटा, जस्ट वेस्टेज है. मैंने कहा ओके, बड़े भैया कह रहे हैं वेस्टेज है, डन. मैं गई एडमिशन करा के आ गई. आफ्टर 2 years आई वाज लाइक मुझसे दिस इज नॉट मी, दिस इज नॉट माय पैशन, अब मैं क्या करूं. मैंने अब फैमिली वाज लाइक अब शुरू किया है तो उसको कंप्लीट तो करना पड़ेगा आपको. आप कंप्लीट कर लो, डिग्री ले लो, उसके बाद देखते हैं क्या करना है. मैंने कहा अच्छा ठीक है. मैंने कंप्लीट किया, डिग्री ली. मैंने कहा ये लो डिग्री, अब बताओ अब क्या करूं. एंड आई
Exactly.
लेफ्ट एंड आई लेफ्ट जापानीज ऑल ओवर डिग्री लेने
We
के
set
बाद.
our goals and we think that life will happen in a certain way, but life has its own way. All we
दैट्स
can do is to follow our heart and surrender.
दैट्स सो ट्रू. बट हमें बहुत लेट पता चलता है कि व्हाट डज फॉलो आवर हार्ट मींस इवन.
आई थिंक बिल्कुल सही टाइम पे पता चलता है अनटिल वी आर प्रिपेयर्ड. जब हमें नहीं पता होता ओनली देन वी आर एक्सप्लोरिंग डिफरेंट थिंग्स एंड इट समहाउ इज प्रिपेयरिंग अस फॉर व्हाट वी आर मेंट टू
मेक सेंस. Totally makes sense.
डू.
Okay, so what's any of your personal experience that you overcome a limiting belief, or maybe that's led to your transformational path? Any such experience?
Like, I won't say that any one incident made
Hmm.
me walk on this path. It was a series of everything. Like, I have
Absolutely.
lived with elders, I have always
Hmm.
told, na? So it's
Right.
something that I would observe them. Like, he has
Okay.
such a difficult life, but he had the
Hmm.
different kind of calm in him. Whatever
Okay.
is happening, he would be like, okay. He's always smiling. He has had like very, very hard time. I can't even explain the pain that he had been through in his life.
Hmm.
But when I would see other people having everything and still, है नहीं कुछ जिंदगी में हर वक्त रोते रहना and
Hmm.
so many things. I was like, what is different? Why is this man so calm? And then I realizing, I started observing him. What is his routine? So he was very, very spiritually activated. He was working on that. Whole of his life, he would wake up by 2:30 in the morning, to take a shower, get ready, exactly aligned with the sun.
Hmm.
Even before sun, he would take his shower and he would be ready for his meditation and whatever. He used to do the name chant. He was
Okay.
completely surrendered to his guru.
Wow.
So I got to know about, like, there are two ways. One is a bhakti marg and another is gyan
Hmm.
marg. We all are running toward gyan. He
Huh.
didn't
Right.
know much, and he never went to any temple also. He said
Oh.
that whatever is there is inside me. He would simply sit
Hmm.
and he just had a photograph of Guruji with him.
Hmm.
Even in the last few months of his life, when he was
Hmm.
completely on bed, he
Hmm.
used to put it on the chair. Even if he's drinking water, he would offer first to him. So it's
Wow.
like the kind of faith that we put into the
Hmm.
things. Now, whatever you start believing, it starts working for you. So if
That's.
we are like on the path of like knowledge and wisdom, we try to
Hmm.
gain it. We start finding information like that, and it starts working for us. What it
Hmm.
takes is completely the voice of our own heart. When we
Right.
are pursuing something from our heart and completely surrendering to it.
Makes sense. So, how one can become aware about it? Like for someone who's not into this path, doesn't know where to start from. So, how someone can be aware about it? And just like you say, you can help people see beyond them, see beyond the programs. So, what it is basically?
See, it's not that we can suddenly realize it or something.
Hmm.
When it's like a disease. When
Right.
you feel some kind of pain, discomfort within yourself. Like,
Hmm.
okay, so what for me it was like I had everything. If you will see from the eyes of a person, I had a professional degree. My
Hmm.
husband is like one in a million, I would say. If people are
Right.
looking for what an ideal guy is, a nice
Hmm.
family, being loved and pampered by my parents and every resources and everything, but yet I felt that there's a void within.
Right.
Huh?
Hmm.
I have everything, but I'm not happy. So what is that? So
Correct.
that made me question, and I kept going in the direction. So you
Hmm.
have to find a pain point in your life that will take you somewhere. Every person's path is
Hmm.
different, and your own pain will take you to the way that is meant for you.
That's true, but some people don't realize the pain point. Even if they have a pain point, they don't realize until a certain point. Do you agree?
Then it's something that it's not enough.
Yeah, that cat's theory, right?
Yes, exactly. They're somewhere comfortable in that pain. They think the
Huh.
pain of changing or trying to find answers to these things would be
Hmm.
more uncomfortable than staying here.
Right. So the pain of comfortable is more comfortable, basically.
Yeah.
That's true. So, is there any way you use to regulate your emotions during high pressure situations? How do you handle yourself
Okay,
whenever a
so
situation?
this has been the biggest problem for me. I think it was inherited. Like, I
Okay.
come from a family that loves crazy
Hmm.
and cries crazy. मतलब कुछ भी
Punjabi.
बोलो आंसू हमारे तैयार हैं. It will just start flooding.
High
So
five.
to me also what used to happen, I was a fine kind
Hmm.
of person, but
Hmm.
एक बार वो emotional झटका आया and you lose
Hmm.
it all. It would
Huh.
take you so many hours and at times days to see ki
Hmm.
what is happening with me. And then
Right.
I realized eventually what I was losing.
Hmm.
When it was like, ठीक है, something bad happened. But once you give up yourself into that, how much you have lost because of that. Once
हम्म
that realization hit, I say the cost that you pay for it. And now once you
राइट हाँ
realize that this
हम्म
emotional disturbance is causing me
हम्म
this loss, so you start realizing it. And once
हम्म
you're able to recognize that this is happening with me, that is the first step. बहुत बार क्या होता है, we don't even
हम्म
realize कि मुझे कुछ emotional issue हो रहा है. We
हम्म,
say मैं तो हूं ही ऐसी,
हाँ
ये तो
हैपेंस
ऐसी, ये मेरा नेचर है.
हाँ
What we call as nature is also habit. एक छोटा
एब्सोल्युटली
बच्चा होता है, if the person if the child starts behaving like that, है ना, you
हम्म
scold them and they start crying. If you will continue to pamper them like that कि हाँ अब मैं रोया, अब मेरी सारी बात मानी जाएगी,
मानी
eventually
जाएगी
it will become an habit.
राइट
And
एब्सोल्युटली
after a few years we will say कि ये इसका nature है. So that
हाँ
is something we need to work on. As children we didn't know, our parents also were like out of love giving and doing everything.
करेक्ट
But
करेक्ट
once you realize what you're paying for, that at least
हम्म
recognize that. That is the first step. And
दैट्स सो
once
ट्रू
you have realized that there is something wrong with me, try to
हम्म
identify what are you actually feeling.
हम्म
Most of the times what used to happen, if I would be angry,
हम्म
I would look at my day and I will realize that I haven't eaten.
हाँ अरे खाना इज द बेसिक गुस्से का
Exactly.
वो
Punjabi families में you will find it very very common.
हाँ
भूख लगी तो गुस्सा आ गया.
मेरे साथ भी यही केस है दिस इज विद मी
We are
इफ आई एम
because we are
हंग्री
living on non-mindful way.
राइट इफ आई एम हंग्री देन आई विल बी ब्लास्टेड फिर तो
Exactly.
दिस
Exactly. So
हैपेंस
every emotion has a cause of it. पहले
कॉज
हमें उस चीज पे वर्क करना है, that is
हम्म
there a physical symptom that is making
हम्म
me react in this way. If it isn't there, then we have to see whether I'm overwhelmed. Most of the time
हम्म
माइंड में बहुत कुछ चल रहा होता है, फिर सामने
हम्म,
वाला कुछ बोलता है, we get angry.
हाँ ब्लास्ट होगा सीधा
problem is a problem is not in that communication.
हाँ प्रॉब्लम इज विद इन
Problem
आवर
is in the back of the mind, what
राइट
we want या कुछ नहीं हो रहा है,
हम्म
whatever could be that.
हाँ आई थिंक सबसे बड़ा इशू ये है कि हमें पता है कि हम वी आर फीलिंग डिस्कम्फर्ट और अनकंफर्टेबल फॉर अ सिचुएशन बट हम अपने साथ नहीं बैठेंगे हम चार
Exactly.
लोगों के साथ डिस्कस कर लेंगे हम चार लोगों को अपनी प्रॉब्लम बता देंगे वहां सोल्यूशन कुछ नहीं आने वाला एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आपका सोल्यूशन आप ही निकालोगे बट
Exactly.
आप अटेंशन के लिए भी कई बार वो चीजें कर रहे होते हो कि पैम्पर करो मुझे थोड़ी अटेंशन दो बट आपको पता है एट द एंड ऑफ द डे सोल्यूशन आप ही निकालोगे अपनी चीज का और आप अपने साथ
Exactly.
ही नहीं बैठोगे
Exactly.
आई थिंक दिस इज द
हम
मेजर इशू
सप्रेस करते हैं until the
हम्म
time फट ना जाए.
वोल्केनो फटेगा
we Exactly. हम थोड़ा सा अगर एक अपना एक सिस्टम रखें कोई रूटीन में, whatever any single habit or something that helps us release or at least realize,
ट्रू
if you
आई
are
थिंक
journaling or whatever.
हाँ शेड्यूल बहुत हेल्प करता है अगर आपका कोई शेड्यूल है कोई रूटीन है लाइफ में तो दिस हेल्प्स यू टू बी ऑन ट्रैक एंड अननेसेसरी डिस्ट्रैक्शंस हटाता है जैसे फॉर
Exactly.
एग्जांपल इन माय केस आई एम द फ्लो ऑफ अ पर्सन
Hmm.
बिजनेस है जब मन करे काम कर लो जब मन आए बंद कर दो लैपटॉप को जब मन आ रहा है कर लो अनलेस कोई इमरजेंसी ऑर्डर आ रहा हो तो इज अ रीसेंट केस तो इस केस में आप बहुत आउट ऑफ द प्लेस होते हो जब मर्जी उठ रहे हो जब मर्जी खा रहे हो जब मर्जी सो रहे हो और यही अगर आपका रूटीन फिक्स है कि आपको इस टाइम पे ये चीजें करनी है तो आप बहुत सेटल रहते हो आपका माइंड को पता है कि ये फ्लो है और इसको फॉलो करना है हमें
But it will also get boring after some time.
फिर न्यू एक्टिविटीज काम आएंगी ना उसमें इन एड ऑन आई मीन एड और सब्ट्रैक्ट का केस काम आएगा उस केस में
See, it's like हम इकोनॉमी में कहते हैं ना, हमारा जीडीपी अगर हमने बैलेंस करना है, इंजेक्शंस एंड लीकेजेस यू हैव टू सी.
हाँ राइट राइट
Exactly,
राइट
your currency is your energy. You have
करेक्ट
to see कि आज, now like suppose I did 4 things that consume some
हाँ
of my energy. Now let me inject some,
हम्म
then I'll do some more so that I don't feel empty.
राइट आई थिंक ये बहुत अच्छा एग्जाम्पल है कि हमने अगर चार चीजें करी है अगर हम उसको इवेल्युएट डेली कर ले कि अगर मैंने आज ये चार डिफरेंट चीजें करी है तो उसमें मुझे कौन सी एनर्जी दे रही है और कौन सी लीक कर रही है मेरी एनर्जी
Exactly. And
बट कोई
when we were discussing this thing ना, this came to my mind.
हम्म
जो पुरानी लेडीज हैं हमारी कल्चर में, हमारी फैमिली में, हम मदर्स और ग्रैंड मदर्स, दे हैड
हम्म,
सच ब्यूटीफुल रूटीन्स, है ना. दे डिडंट
हाँ
हैव रिसोर्सेज लाइक वी डू हैव, नो मेड एंड नथिंग, बट their routines were so nice. They would wake up, they would
हम्म
worship to fill
हम्म
themselves up,
Correct.
right? And then
Right.
they would do the household tasks. Then again,
Hmm.
they would take some kind of break to sit, or either read some holy books, or thoda
हाँ
sa knitting or something that
हाँ हाँ.
fills their cup. Then they're doing the lunch. Then again, it's a small nap time, and then refilling it with chai.
That's
Going out in the evening. How beautifully their routines were crafted. We were
right.
just like they had, not much to do or something, but they were very, very balanced people. We are just like going haywire.
Totally makes sense यार. I mean, yeah, absolutely. उनका एक प्रॉपर शेड्यूल सेट है, वो सोशलाइज भी कर रही हैं, वो अपना मी टाइम भी इंजॉय कर रही हैं, वो अपना वर्शिप भी कर रही है. लाइक माय मदर, द फर्स्ट थिंग शी डू इज टेक अ शावर एंड वर्शिप, and
Exactly.
then she'll enter into a kitchen or make chai or something.
Yes, and in the evening also they are,
Yeah,
filling them when they start feeling a bit drained for the evening shift. They're again filling themselves up.
correct.
Staying at home, not having a schedule, not having any work, they are still so sorted. The Our
Right.
culture is not so much of sorted. We are running towards different things. Simplicity is so much sustainable.
Right. I mean, इस बात को अगर एक्चुअली बैठ के सोचा जाए तो इट्स वेरी डीप एंड ट्रुथ कि हम कहते हैं हमारी मम्मी के पास ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है, आपको ऐसा नहीं हुआ, वैसा नहीं हुआ, या आपको अभी का नहीं पता, या हमें यहाँ जाना है. आजकल फोमो बड़ा चल रहा है कि मुझे इस चीज का फोमो. उन्हें कोई फोमो था ही नहीं एक्चुअल में, एंड दे वर लिविंग देयर बेस्ट ऑफ लाइफ.
Yes,
अब
they had
अभी
more
भी.
social life, and in the name of satsangs or something, they were connected with the community. Now, what we are
एब्सोल्युटली.
looking for.
हाँ, मेरी मम्मा डेली शाम को जाती है, नो मैटर वट एवर इज हैपनिंग. उनके फिक्स है कि आज यहाँ सत्संग है, आज उसके घर में, आज उसके घर में सत्संग है. उनका
Yes,
शेड्यूल फिक्स्ड है.
yes.
वो दैट्स क्वाइट डीप, वैशाली. As you say, you have a corporate degree and you know how corporate works. Do you think culture in a corporate industry also influence the mindset and productivity of its employee?
100%. The culture of the top management,
Hmm.
how the top management think, it will flow till the bottom.
Right.
How the employees feel, because
Hmm.
if the top management, like I had an experience with a very big company,
Hmm.
that person, the managing director of the company, he was very much attached to the culture. you
Okay.
know the whole office had a vibe of culture. The door of the boardroom was
Hmm.
quite the cultural Punjabi traditional, haveli kind of door. It is such a
Oh,
beautiful building, but he had done the interiors by himself,
wow.
and the whole vibe of it was like that. And I remember in the board meeting he said, Vishali, can you speak Punjabi? I was like, I can speak, but I cannot read that because
Hmm.
I haven't done that. So he
Hmm.
was like, why are you talking in that?
Hmm.
While people are running for English and everything, he still wants to preserve the culture. Now,
Wow.
if that ease is given in the
Hmm.
organization, other people will also be able to relish that. While you
That's true.
are from that culture, they will be more of themselves.
Hmm.
They can freely express and freely live who they really are. So it will definitely bring a better culture in the organization. People will feel more connected there. They will be able to
That's,
celebrate, and everything will be in the favor of both.
I think that's true. Culture matters a lot, whether it's at home or a corporate. It shapes a person somehow, its behavior, its action also. So it does it. Obviously, it affects its productivity level, and if the culture is toxic, then what someone can do? Stay
See,
there or leave it out,
you
or
can
preserve
only
themselves.
do a limited, depends
Huh,
upon the position that you are in,
huh.
right?
Okay.
Because your position will also define your powers.
Right. Absolutely.
However, you can start small. See, if I start talking nicely to you,
Hmm.
as a result, you will start talking nicely to the person next to you. So it
Right.
will slowly move, but you can make your own difference on your own part. But if it has to be a fast change, if you want to
Hmm.
say, then it has to flow from top to bottom.
Top to bottom. Yeah, that's absolutely true. Okay, if someone wants to start their personal growth journey, is there any tools or practice you would like to recommend to anyone?
First of all, they can start with journaling. If they
हाँ
are into that, state of balance, I would say.
हाँ
Sometimes we are so much emotionally
हम्म,
destroyed, I would say, at the time कि we
हाँ
don't want to do anything. Life is
हम्म
over and so many things. If you are in that lowest state,
हम्म
then start with meditation. You won't
इवन
be
देन
able to
ऑल्सो
sit.
हाँ इवन देन ऑल्सो आई सजेस्ट जर्नलिंग टू ब्रेन डंप योरसेल्फ क्योंकि जो
Hmm.
इतना कचरा आपने अपने ब्रेन में भरा हुआ है वो कहाँ जाके लीक होगा बेसिकली इन सिंपल लैंग्वेज
I
तो
agree, but it's like many people now don't want to do anything at time. When see healing music, you can find it on YouTube and it will make you so much relaxed. Then you can
राइट
go on to journaling or whatever. It's like simple dumping or even scribbling or however you feel like releasing.
हाँ दैट्स
Some
ट्रू
people don't like to write. This
हम्म
this is a truth, or I call it like
हाँ
personal
इट इज
choice.
हाँ हाँ
It's a personal
एब्सोल्युटली
choice. Like
हाँ
if I'm writing something, then my husband would be like, "Can't you just think in your mind?"
इज इट
Is it? Because
ओके
I'm someone who likes to write it, and I think I can
हाँ
more
सेम
clearly work on that.
हाँ राइट
And
मैं
he's
कुछ
someone who's very quick with working in his mind, and he can remember things. So it completely depends on person to person,
It's
what
on
your
me also.
personal values are.
I remember the things I need to remember in my mind as well, till how
Hmm.
long you want to. But when I write it off, it's make me more clarity आती है मुझे उससे.
Exactly.
मेरे
Exactly.
दिमाग में वो चीज है. अब वही बात है ना, दिमाग बेचारा कितना ही स्टोर करे. कर रहा है वो अपनी जगह
Exactly.
पे, वो अपना
It
वर्क
can
कर रहा है.
either store or it can process. See, if
प्रोसेस
it's
राइट.
like a storage container, you have completely filled
हाँ
it up, then you won't be able to generate more ideas. You have
करेक्ट.
to take it out,
टेक इट
make
अप.
space, and then you can process something new.
यार बॉयज और गर्ल्स का मैकेनिज्म ही अलग है. वो बने ही अलग अलग है. नो कंपैरिजन.
Agreed. Totally
मैंने
agreed.
बहुत सारे पॉडकास्ट देखे हैं एंड वन ऑफ द पॉडकास्ट वाज आल्सो एक्सप्लेनिंग द सेम थिंग कि बॉयज बने ही अलग है. कल ही एक था कि गर्ल्स लाइक टू बी अ एक्सट्रैक्टर कि अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम आई है तो उसको एक्सट्रैक्ट करके कि सुन लो बस उसकी बातें. सॉल्यूशन नहीं चाहिए हमें, आप सुन लो ऐसे हुआ ऐसे हुआ ऐसे हुआ ऐसे हुआ. एंड बॉयज भी लाइक या तो सॉल्यूशन दे देंगे या तो कहेंगे चल छोड़ना यार खत्म कर.
See, this is also a beautiful thing, है ना? Like complimenting. If
हाँ
they would also be like us, so we would just sit together and cry. How will we move ahead in life? One person has to
हाँ
take that strong side so they can handle the things.
हाँ फिर तो बंटा धार है दुनिया का.
Exactly. Imagine just the boy is also coming and starts crying. Today I had a bad day. How bad is going to
ठीक है,
be?
sometimes it's good, come cry with us. We can do the
Yes,
offer, we can provide you that
yes.
space.
But if it's their nature, it's going to be disastrous.
हो ही नहीं सकता यार, पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं, उनका मैकेनिज्म नहीं बना हुआ है
No,
इतना.
there are people and ask their girlfriends or their wives if your husband is like, they would be like, यार कहाँ फंस गई मैं? He is like a girl.
Correct.
You will see यार सब कुछ मुझे ही करना पड़ता है. He doesn't do anything. So
हाँ ये तो
every
बहुत
wife
है.
will have some or
हम्म,
the other complaint.
हाँ बट हाँ ये भी प्रॉब्लम है. अगर किसी रिलेशनशिप में देयर इज अ कपल ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स हु आर कमिटेड एंड ये भी प्रॉब्लम है कि गर्ल्स आर इन देयर मेस्कुलिन पोजीशन एंड बॉयज आर जस्ट ओके ठीक है कर लो, तुम्हें ये करना है, कर लो. हैव यू
See, it's
suffered
cause
it?
and effect.
Okay.
It's cause and effect.
How?
Okay. If I am masculine,
हाँ
we know that masculine and feminine coexist. It's
हाँ
not that I will be completely masculine
हाँ
or
राइट
the
राइट
person will be completely feminine.
करेक्ट.
But if it's like by nature, if I will observe my and my
हम्म
husband's thing, na, the
हम्म
thing I'm usually emotional and that kind of person, but in
हाँ
the areas where I am masculine, he's naturally very soft and loving in those areas.
हाँ
If you will see other, like in any of the case, if I
हम्म
am trying to be more controlling, he will
ओके.
automatically become lazy knowing that she will do it.
वो संभाल लेगी, she'll handle
Exactly.
herself.
Yeah, now if it's in my case, I know that if I will
वो
say I
संभाल
am
लेगा.
tired, I don't want to go out, he will
हम्म,
go out in the sun or the wind.
हाँ
If I have given it up, he will take it up.
right, that's true also.
it's
बहुत
cause and effect.
कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है.
Everything is cause and effect.
हाँ, बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है. अरे कभी कभी मैं भी सोचती हूँ इन फ्यूचर, लाइक अभी मैं अपने घर पे आई हैव टू हैंडल थिंग्स एट मैस्कुलिन लेवल इटसेल्फ. तो कल को इन फ्यूचर व्हेन how the things will happen, how that
See,
feminism will come out, and
see
let my husband do the work.
if you will surrender, it will happen.
Okay.
Suppose if today I pass away, what will change? People will, start reframing the ways of working. Somebody else will take my place. And it's like, even if you try to remove yourself for a day, everything will work smoothly. Now I'm sitting here, I cannot manage anything. My daughter has to be taken care of, this or that. If one day I have fallen sick, what doesn't happen?
Dad will take care, or
Life
Dadi
goes
will
on.
take care. हाँ,
Exactly. It is that we have taken up the role, so the other person is not required to take that role. If we are stepping back, somebody will take it.
quite deep realizations I'm getting now. Okay. Suppose if you go back in time, what advice would you give to your younger self?
Take it easy.
Aren't you taking it easy right now?
I am learning quite, like I'd say there's a huge progress. I was thinking कि ये नहीं हो रहा. I'm more like a perfectionist.
That's a
Everything has to go my way in something, and now I realized where I did not force anything, things have been more beautiful.
You know, when you said things has to go my way, something clicked on me right now. That's major perfectionist issue. कि अगर ऐसा क्यों नहीं हुआ, हुई है चीज, जो आपने मांगा वो चीज आपको मिल रही है, बट थोड़ा इधर उधर होके मिल रही है, एंड लाइक आप वो एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करते हो. मैंने तो ये
Somehow
सोचा
we
था.
restrict and limit also, na?
हाँ,
Maybe
right.
I could have got a better option, but I was stubborn about that. I want
प्री
this only.
प्लान्ड. हाँ, हमने
Exactly.
रूट तक प्री प्लान्ड कर लिया था बेसिकली.
Exactly. See, if I talk about this from term of a business, है if I
Okay.
set up that I want to earn 1 crore,
हाँ,
maybe my project had the potential of making me 5 crores, but I limited myself to 1 crore. I couldn't make more. Now I can be happy that I decided 1 crore and I got it. Now it would be kind of foolish thing. What our approach should be to become best of ourselves and let the life flow. We should not try to control the results. Detachment, what we learn everywhere. Karm karo, phal ki chinta mat karo.
that's so true. I have to literally work on it. मेरा ये problem है, I'll say. That's the area I need to work upon is कि कुछ चाहिए तो I have decided the route already pre-planned कर लिया है कि this is the route से मिल सकता है चीज. अब वो चीज अगर ऐसे भी मिल रही है तो I have a problem क्यों ऐसे क्यों मिली है, ऐसे क्यों नहीं.
Okay. Now who's suffering in that? Now only us.
That's true. Do you think personal growth is a continuous process or a one-time event? कि मुझे किसी चीज पे काम करना था, मैंने वो चीज पे काम कर लिया and it's done and dusted.
As long as you're alive,
It goes.
when it's completed, you would also be gone.
That's so true. That's right. Do you think personal transformation affects our personal relationship with others?
It will transform everything.
I'll say a big yes on it. It will affect every area of our life.
Completely. It's like your outside world is a reflection of your inner world. It's
Right.
like if chaos is going on inside me, my relations will also be turbulent. Once I start making peace inside, others will stop triggering me.
True.
And eventually the relationships will also begin to change.
Hmm.
When I transform as a person, like suppose we were talking about our emotional regulation. I realized now if I am a person who cannot control their emotions, I lash out at someone, nobody is going to like me. Once I realize it, there is a little bit of transformation in me. I'm not saying that I have completely transformed. Even if a little bit of change in me, I will be reacting. I will stop reacting and start responding. It will
हाँ,
shift the
हाँ,
relationship with other people.
right.
It
That's
will
the
start
major
healing
difference.
that also.
Hmm. I think that's the major difference we should do, or we could do it, is start responding rather than reacting. आधे से ज्यादा इश्यूज ही इसलिए है कि हम रिएक्ट कर रहे हैं और रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं कर रहे, चाहे हम है, चाहे सामने वाला है, चाहे अनदर
Because we
वर्ल्ड।
don't realize ना, we don't realize in the moment कि मेरा emotional trigger हुआ है
हाँ।
और मैं react कर रहा हूँ.
हम्म,
It has become a habit to react.
हाँ, इवन आई
One
से
person reacts and I'm lashing back.
राइट। आई थिंक अगर रियलाइज्ड के बाद भी आप उसको रीफ्रेम कर दो, तो भी थिंग्स विल स्टार्ट फॉलिंग इनटू प्लेस, जो हम नहीं करते। अरे हो गया, अब तो जो करना था कर दिया, आप क्या सॉरी बोल रहे हैं।
But
आधे
you know
लोगों की
what
ये भी है।
happens even if you're not saying sorry?
हाँ,
Next time when you are about to react, your heart will remind you. Last time हुआ था. Something in you will at least,
हाँ।
give you a warning.
हम्म,
Now it's your choice if you still want to, suppress that signal and still continue with your way, or
हम्म,
somehow a little shift will happen, I believe. Because there are certain places where you don't want to say sorry and bend down. There are certain relationships and places. But
हम्म।
having a realization within will slowly shift your responses.
True, very true. I think when you are transforming in your personal growth or having a personal transformation, it's very important to have a support system around us. अब
Yes.
ऑब्वियसली बात है, अगर आपके एनवायरनमेंट थोड़ा सपोर्टिव है तो आप जल्दी ग्रो कर सकते हो, जल्दी ट्रांसफॉर्म कर सकते हो अपनी लाइफ में। और अगर नहीं है तो वही 6 महीने का काम ले लेगा 6 साल, बिकॉज आपको अपने
What
आप को भी करना है और
what
अपने।
if I tell you that it is opposite?
इज इट?
Is
टेल
it?
मी। ओके, टेल मी।
Okay. So if it's like if I have a supportive environment,
हम्म।
I have a little bit of pain, I'll go to my loved ones. I'm
हाँ।
in pain. है ना?
ओके।
They will give me a kind of love or some care and gentleness. हाँ यार होता है, you're going through a
हम्म,
hard time. It
हम्म।
will somehow, slow me down.
ओके,
When I am in a position, I don't have an option.
ओके।
If I am going through a difficult situation and I don't have anyone to talk to,
ओके।
okay,
हाँ।
if I know, if I have someone, we need to have someone to talk to, but at home, if
हम्म,
I would say I don't have that
हम्म,
supportive environment that people
हम्म,
will say, ki, हाँ, this is happening or that is
हम्म।
happening, your growth will be faster.
But don't you think at times it will disencourage you?
It will, but it
Then in that
anyhow
case,
will.
you should have your belief system very strong. That energy to do or change should be 100% or around it.
Yes. See, जितना बड़ा breakdown होता है ना, उतना बड़ा breakthrough होता है.
हाँ, ये
You
तो
would
I
have
agree.
seen in
हाँ,
your life.
I
Like
agree.
sometimes we feel कि जिंदगी खत्म, अब कुछ नहीं है.
हाँ,
But then you will cry, you will release, and you will have such important realizations. You will be a transformed person.
इसमें भी I'll say a thing. You said you cry, you get a realization. अब उस realization के बाद आप क्या करते हो? That's a very important step. Either
Yes.
you go back to your previous self, or you take an action towards a better self or higher self.
Yes. That
That's
completely is a personal choice.
हाँ, कईयों का ब्रेक थ्रू होने के बाद भी उनको रियलाइज नहीं होता कि ब्रेक थ्रू हो चुका है भाई, एक्शन का टाइम था, यू मिस्ड इट,
Yes. But
बिकॉज ऑफ द
maybe that they didn't realize it completely, na?
हाँ,
Complete realization ही नहीं हुआ, तो how would
हाँ,
they step ahead?
right, absolutely. I think this is a great conversation. When I realized a certain points, this makes so much sense and we could go and dig deeper into it. It was a very
Yes.
great session, Vishali. Thank you so much for coming on it.
It's
Okay,
a pleasure.
one last advice from you for the people. Anybody's watching this.
Just live your life. Everything is in your favor. Even if you feel that life is falling apart, it is working in your favor.
Makes sense.
Definitely. Many a times we feel that life, I'm going through so many hardships.
Hmm.
Why it's happening to me only?
Right.
It's preparing you for the next level. If
That's true.
today I am handed over like huge amount of money or a big success, I will not be able to handle that.
Handle it.
If I'm not prepared in that way, I have to be prepared in a certain way, that kind of mindset, that kind of energy to be able to put it to great use.
That's right.
No, if you will give it to a child or not so wise person, the person will mess it up.
True.
But if
Absolutely.
you will give it to someone who can make good use of it, you can create fortunes.
Right. Absolutely right. Oh, that's amazing one. Thank you so much for coming on Unfiltered, and thank you. It was a great, great session.
I really love this. I was a little bit hesitant that what you are going to ask me, and because it was actually 100% unfiltered, I didn't have any
Right.
idea what
Right.
you would be asking me. So I'm quite, happy with the conversation we had. It was very candid and
Right.
suitable for most of us.
Yay!
And thank you for giving me this opportunity. It's like, a little dream coming true, kind of
Right.
that child happiness.
How cool is that कि आप आओ unfiltered chat करो and share your journey with others and inspire others. Even I had actually had 2 to 3 different realizations while talking to you itself. So everyone is adding a value or a plus point in somebody's life that they needed at a particular time. So you never know who inspires you or you inspire somebody.
Yes, there is a reason why we meet a person or we talk to them.
Right.
Things,
Absolutely.
universe is creating things in a way to create a certain kind of realization or growth or journeys.
Right. Right. जिसको जब जो सुनना है वो सुन लेगा.
Exactly. It will
That's
reach you however and
हाँ.
wherever.
Right. Right. True. Oh, thank you so much for this.
Thank you.